Unit 7 Learning Target number 9. Represent three-dimensional objects using nets. So we should probably start by talking about what exactly a net is. We're told to, in this case, we've got a problem. We're going to match the nets to their 3D objects. And what a net is what would happen if you were to take a 3D object. Let's say we had a cube like this one. I'm not very good at art, but we'll try to make this into a cube here. So we had a cube like this, and we were going to break it down into, if you were to take all the flat surfaces out and fold it out like a cardboard box. So you might think of it like this. Here's the middle square, and then out comes another square, and out comes another square, out comes another square, out comes another square, and then you have the top. And the top, of course, would have to go over here like this. So this is what would happen when we have a net. We're breaking it down into these different pieces. Again, horrible at art I am, so these down here are much nicer to deal with. So we just drew this cube here, and we have a pretty good idea of what this guy will be, right? We have this guy. He looks pretty similar to what I just drew of there. I can't even trace well, can I? So what would that be? That would be right over here. We're going to make that's a cube. So we know that's a cube there. Well, let's move over to the other side. What about this guy? What shape will he be? He's got three sides and a base that is a triangle here, a base that's a triangle. What do we see over here that could give us that? Well, this, no, that doesn't match because that has two ends, so it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. This only has 4. This is going to be, it looks like if I fold these up, these would make a point at the top. So I've got a pyramid here, and I've got a pyramid with a base that is 3 sides long, or a base is a triangle. Is that this one? No, because this base is a square. So that won't be it. It must be this pyramid right here. So we've got this goes to this right here. All right, and then we move over one. We move over one over here, and we've got another kind of a pyramid shape. There's no other square. There's no other end. We know these guys are going to fold up to the middle, and they're going to make a point. So we've got another pyramid. And we only have one more pyramid left. This one has a base of a rectangle, and so does this. So we'll know that these two connect to each other, two rectangular pyramids. This one over here, this pyramid right here, this one was a triangular pyramid, and this one over here, this one is a rectangular pyramid. All right, that leaves us with just 2 left. Let's take a look at them. We've got this guy right here. Now, he's got a rectangular base. That's helpful. And he has 2 ends, and each end is a triangle, but he only has 3 sides, which makes sense because my triangle only has 3 sides. So this side is going to fold to that side, this one's going to fold to there, and this one's going to fold here. And you're going to wind up with this thing that has a triangle in each end. Which one would that be? Would it be this? No, because this has a rectangle on the end. It's got to be this one right here. So we're going to connect that one. That is called a triangular prism. A triangular prism. So these guys, these two here are prisms. And actually, so is this one. These 3 are all prisms. And these 2 are pyramids. These are pyramids. That'll be helpful in just a little bit. All right, so which one does that one leave? This one connected to? Well, we've only got one left. But you can see quickly that we've got a base here that's a rectangle. Right? We've got 2 sides that are kind of narrow, and then one extra side that will form the top, and it's going to give us this right here. And then each of these ends are rectangular. So this is going to connect here, and that's going to give us a rectangular prism right there. And that's really all there is to nets.